(2017) 67 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 43 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. We have 4 superb 21-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, black front splitter, Pan America style front grille with chrome badging. There's a look at another alloy wheel. We also have side steps on both sides. We also have sunroof. We also have black window trim with privacy glass, boot spoiler, power assisted rear tailgate, front and rear parking sensors, 360-degree cameras, quad exhaust flush the rear bumper. And there's a look at another alloy wheel. And there's a look at another side step. In the rear, we have half leather, half suede. We have ISO fixed points, optional extra red seat belts, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice size cup holders. Behind the driver and passenger seat, we also have storage, premium integrated Burmester speakers with electric windows. If you go to the front, again, we have half leather, half suede front seats with extended fire support if you may need it. Front seats are also heated, electric and memory. We have a brushed metal trim with ambient lighting underneath, and again, premium Burmester integrated speaker. We have electric windows with electric power folding mirrors. Jump inside the car. We have auto lights as well. We have assisted steering, lane assist, and 360 camera button. Foot on the brake. We have keyless start. We also have a multifunction steering wheel. We have paddle shift if you may need to change it into manual mode. We also have cruise control and a speed limiter, as well as electric steering wheel adjustments. And this vehicle has done just over 30,800 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We have satellite navigation, as well as DAB radio, media connectivity, telephone connectivity. And if you go into vehicle settings, click on that, scroll to the left until you'll see ambient lighting colour. We can change the colour from neutral to polar and to solar. Now if we go back, pop the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors, 360-degree camera, there's a rear reversing camera. Put it into forward, there we go, the camera then changes to the front facing one. We do have dual zone climate control, which is controlled from just down here and is displayed at the bottom of the screen just there. We have 2 nice size cup holders with storage and 12-volt connectivity. We also have, this is what controls everything happens on the screen. We also have AMG suspension, which is controlled from just here. We have AMG ride control Sport, Sport Plus and Comfort. You can also change traction toggle off. This is what we have changed the drive select with. So we have Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual. We have soft touch leather armrests with storage underneath, and that's the passenger seat. In the front, there's the heated seat, which works as you expect it to. We also have extended fire support on both front seats. And that's the heated seat again. This vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.